In the event that Samsung ultimately carries out this essential upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus, the difference between Apple and Samsung will widen and become more noticeable in one crucial area. This will be Samsung's ideal reaction to the larger battery upgrade in the iPhone 15 series. For some reason, Samsung has prevented customers of its flagship phones from experiencing the dopamine high that comes with seeing a smartphone with super fast extreme charging. While Samsung won't go overboard with 100 or 240 watt charging, they will provide a sensible fast charging upgrade that will be significantly quicker than the charging rates of the iPhone. The new stacking battery technology, which will take up less space within the phone and perform better thermally and efficiently, will allow Samsung to enable 65 watt fast charging on the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra, according to the most recent leak. As vital as it is for a phone to live longer, charging times are as crucial, and Samsung can surely do more in this regard. The UI 6.0, which will be the one we first see on the S24 series, is another significant development that has just made the headlines. As we witness more and more One UI 6.0 firmware updates for the S23 Ultra, the moment has nearly come. This time, One UI 6.0 will be accessible in a lot more countries than before, allowing more users to access the One UI 6.0 beta than ever before. The Galaxy S23 FE is being developed by Samsung for release in certain areas, as you may already be aware of from having seen the design. There's a fair potential that the S23 FE will perform like a beast, and I'm not only referring about the Exynos 2200 edition. Reportedly, the S23 FE will sport Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the US. If this is accurate and the S23 FE is priced properly, it may really be a great value with the improved cameras, but the front display bezels are horrible, particularly when compared to the newly released Nothing Phone 2. As a result, the situation is going to be quite confused. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.